Hello friend, myself Nitin Damale, Assistant Professor at SNGB College of Engineering. Today we are going to learn how to operate VI editor inside the Red Hat Linux. In front of you, you can see the virtual box. Inside the virtual box, Linux is running. Okay, Oracle Virtual VM virtual box. Inside that, my operating system Linux has been running. Okay, let's learn how the VI editor will work on the Linux. So inside the Linux, I just right click and open the terminal. Okay, here we can see the hash sign is a super user. It indicates super user. This is our local terminal. Okay, on this terminal, localhost terminal, we learn what is the VI editor. So VI editor is like a text editor. In that text editor, we can write the program of shell scripting, C++ program, or any other program we can write inside the VI editor. So there are commands to operate the VI editor. So without wasting so much time, we move toward the VI editor. So to open the VI editor, we have to type VI, then type your file name. Suppose my file name is practical2.sh. This sh indicate that I want to create the shell scripting file, and this is my name of the file. Just hit enter. After hitting the enter, you are enter in the VI editor. So I type here, but the letter are not typing here. So to allow to edit VI editor, we have to press I. If you try to write inside the editor, it is not going to allow you to type the letters or the programs. For that, you have to enable the text editors. For that, you have to press I. So you have to press I from the keyword. As soon as I press the I keyword, you can see it goes inside the insert mode. Okay, I press the I from the keyboard. Okay, so now our VI editor is in insert mode. Okay, now I am able to type the program. Okay, so I can type the small shell script program hash exclamatory slash bin and slash sh. Okay, after that I can just display the message echo hello all, welcome to VI editor. Okay, that's it. This echo message, what this echo will do, it will simply display the message. Okay, okay, once you type your program, and you can come out from this VI editor. So how to come out from this VI editor? Okay, so already you are in insert mode, that is you are in programming mode. Here you can able to edit, but you have to save this program and quit from this VI editor. What you have to do, just press escape button from your keyboard. Okay, just press escape button. Okay, that I have pressed the escape button, then shift colon. Okay, here you can see the shift colon. Okay, at the bottom of the file. Okay, so here is what our colon, then type W. Then type the W for save and Q for quit. Save and quit. Okay, so our file has been saved. So right now we have to run this pr.sh file. So by using sh pr2.sh, we are able to run this file. Okay, so here you can see the output, hello all, welcome to the VI editor. Okay, let's again we redo the program editation. So VI pr2.sh, by using this command we again go inside the pr2.sh program. Okay, so here again you come inside the VI editor, but right now I am not able to give the input because my editor is not in editable mode. So what I have to press? I have to press I from the keyboard. As soon as I press the I, it will goes into editable mode. So as you can see here, insert is unable. So you are able to type the commands. Okay. So here we again modify this program. So here is variable a and 10 and variable is 20. Then I can do the addition of here 20. So for addition, it is a mathematical calculation. I can declare one variable, it is val is equal to, then single quotation which is present at the just below on the tilt sign on the keyboards. Okay, so this is very important. So give the space, then expr, then variable dollar sign a, space is mandatory, space dollar sign b. Okay, then complete the quotation. Okay, this is, and give the space. Okay. Here is it produce the addition of two number a and b, which is 10 plus 20, which is 30. Okay, just I want to display this addition. I can use echo statement, double quotes, inside that I can just display the message, the addition is, then variable name is dollar, we can say val. Dollar is essential. Okay, if you do not put the dollar, then inside the value the content of val will be not displayed. So dollar sign must be mandatory. Okay, that's it. The addition is, I can use the colon. That's it. Okay, now we have to save this program. For save the program, you need to follow the procedure that you have to press escape. Escape from the keyboard. Escape is a key which is at present on your keyboard. Just press escape, colon, W for save and Q for quit. Okay, now we are going to run this our program. How to run the program? sh, then pr2.sh. that's it. Here you can see the addition is 30. Okay, so this is all for the VI editor. Hope so you understand. Thank you.